Hello everyone and welcome back to Web Knowledge. Today I have interesting news about Grandstream Click2Dial option which is supported on Grandstream GRP260 series of IP phones. So it is supported for Chrome browser and Firefox, Edge and Safari browser. So starting from GRP260 series firmware 5.26 and it is only supported for GRP260 series of IP phones. That means GRP2601, GRP2602, 2603 and 2604. So I'm testing with Firefox browser and I'm clicking on the plugin and adding to the browser. After the successful installation of plugin, so I'm navigating to my phone and checking the firmware version. So I have my phone latest firmware version and it is 1.0.5.38. Now I'm clicking on the plugin option and entering the IP phone IP address, which is 192.168.3.186, and the password is user password of IP phone, which is by default 123. So this is logged in. Now you can see we have multiple options, so we can use any of the account for making call and receiving call. So I can dial from here from the first account and I'm dialing. You can see the call status from here as well, and we can hear similarly I'm making the call to this extension from another phone and we are getting the notification here, and we can answer the call from here and disconnect the call as well. So I'm answering this call. So you can see the call is connected. I can disconnect or hold the call from here. I'm choosing the second account and dialing the extension number from here from the second account. So the call is going to the extension and it is answered. Similarly, I'm making the call to this extension 907 from another phone. Now you can see the incoming call is here and you can see the notification, and same we can answer the call from here. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel.